Can your child be made to testify against you in court? Well, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan. And today we're going to continue our video series designed to educate and inform the public. So please subscribe to our channel. Well, can your ex compel the child to testify against you? It's a very interesting question. I mean, let's start out from this proposition that the courts rarely want the children to be put in the middle. If you're going to have your child testify against your ex, that is the definition of putting the child in the middle. The courts are not big fans of that. Now, what the court may do, if the child is of appropriate age, the court may take the child into chambers, or what we call in camera. And the court may ask the child certain things about who do you prefer to live with? What's the deal? What's going on at the house? And the court will likely come back on the record in open court and say, I have had a discussion with the child in chambers, and I will take into account what the child told me. And that's it. The court's not going to tell you what the child told you because that puts the child back in the middle. And the court's not create a situation when the child has to say one thing about one parent, lie to another parent. The court's not going to do that. All of this, of course, depends on the age and maturity of the child. For example, is it likely that the court will do that to a 5-year-old? Probably not. What about a 12 or 13 or 14-year-old? Probably. So it's going to depend a lot about that. Now, the court, if it feels that the child has interests separate from the parents, the court could appoint a guardian ad litem to serve on behalf of the child, to watch out for the child's interests. This is a court-appointed functionary whose job it is to guard the child's interests separate from the mom's interests or the dad's interests, and the court does do that on occasion. Remember one thing, though. If you're trying to get your kid to testify against the other, it's going to be a situation where you might be showing the court that you don't really care about the best interests of the child or the trauma to the child. You only care about yourself. Forced testimony may very well backfire on you. So you got to be very careful in how you treat the subject matter. Now, if you have any questions about your particular situation, of course, reach out and we'll be glad to try and guide you.
248-588